Welcome, in front of me is Redmi 13x, and in this video I will show you how to fix auto screen rotation on the smartphone. First of all, try opening any application on your phone and tilting your phone in different directions to see if the screen rotation works for you now. And as you can see, it doesn't work for me, and if it doesn't work for you, that means that you have to enable it manually in settings. And to do that, open settings, then scroll down to additional settings right here, then go to accessibility and go to physical tab and switch the toggle to the right next to auto rotate screen. Then you can open any application on your phone that supports screen rotation and try to rotate your screen. As you can see, it already works for me, but maybe you have to refresh your gyroscope sensors, and to do that, just restart your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up key at the same time. Then select reboot and wait until your device is restarted. And once your device restarts, your auto rotation should start working normally too. So go check it in any application you have on your phone, and you're gonna see that it works just fine. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.